Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this one is a new recipe from Chef Ricardo, and I'm gonna show you how you can make this one at home. So first thing, you need to have either some flat parsley or some coriander. Coriander is much more better, but I have some flat parsley which I'm going to be using to make this lovely weight loss drink. So we're gonna put roughly about a few stalks of the flat parsley inside of my blender. Now I'm gonna get a piece of a cucumber. It is better for you to use organic cucumber, all right? Now I have half of a lemon, and all I'm going to do is just remove the skin on the outside of the lemon, and now I'm going to simply cut it into half and put it straight inside of the blender. Same thing with some ginger. I'm gonna get a lovely fat piece of chunk of a ginger, and I'm gonna simply remove the skin from the ginger, and I'm gonna simply cut into 4 pieces, 2, 4, 6 pieces, and put it straight inside of it. Now I'm gonna simply put a cup of water, and I'm gonna just simply put this to the blend for about 4 seconds. It will take, it all depends upon the kind of blender which you guys using at home. Nice and lovely. So that's finished blended. All right, it's 2 options. You could either strain it, or you can drink it with the fiber same way inside of it. Drink it like that is much better sometimes, but not all the time. It's good for have the fiber. All right, it's a little bit split because you can see it like it's frothing a lot. But anyway, let's share it out. Nice one. So I'm gonna simply pour it out now. Just drink it natural like this. All right, some people put honey, you don't have to, but leave it natural is much better for you guys. Less sweetness going inside of your immune system. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show, and as I say, if you're allergic to any one of these ingredients, please do some research, or please Google what's the benefit of any of these ingredients. Ingredients will be in the description box. If not, follow me on my Facebook page or on my Instagram page, where you see I post most of my ingredients. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe them in this whole entire world. One love again from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.